Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix sound or audio issues in Vampire The Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game. So without wasting your time, here follow the fixes. Fix 1. Steps to fix sound problem in Vampire The Masquerade Bloodlines 2. On your PC, click on Windows icon and then click on Settings. Now click on System on the left, then click on Sound, Advanced, then click on More Sound Settings. Click your default device, for example speakers, and then click on Properties. Now go to the Spatial Sound tab, click the drop down box and select Off. Then click on Apply and then OK. Now if the spatial sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones instead. Now go to the Enhancements tab, check mark Loudness Equalization and then click on Apply and then OK. Now launch Vampire The Masquerade Bloodlines 2 and check. Fix 2. Make sure your sound level in-game is set to 100%. Look for audio settings within the Vampire The Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game menu and ensure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play. Fix 3. Steps to fix audio problem in Vampire The Masquerade Bloodlines if you are using Bluetooth headphones. So right click on the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select Show Bluetooth Devices, scroll to the bottom and select More Devices and Printer Settings. Right click your headphones and then select Properties. Now go to the Services tab, uncheck Hands-Free Telephony, Remote Control and Remotely Controllable Device. Hit Apply. Now launch the game and see if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4. Set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. Fix 5. Disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, additional controller, mouse, keyboard, etc. And then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Vampire The Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game sound or audio issues. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.